Welcome back to GearLoom, where cars aren't just reviewed, they're experienced. Some cars chase performance. Others chase practicality. But once in a while, a machine arrives that dares to do both. Meet the 2026 Volkswagen Golf R, a hatchback that hides a storm under its skin. Designed for the everyday driver, but engineered for those who crave the rush of control. This isn't just an upgrade. It's the evolution of excitement, sharpened, refined, and ready to challenge everything you thought a hatchback could be. For years, the Volkswagen Golf R has carried a promise: performance without compromise. A car that could take you to work on Monday, yet feel perfectly at home on a racetrack by the weekend. Every generation refined that balance, comfort, precision, and power, until now. In 2026, Volkswagen has taken everything learned over decades and distilled it into something purer, something faster. This is not just another update to a family hatchback. This is the pinnacle of the Golf bloodline, where heritage meets evolution, and driving passion finds its perfect shape. The 2026 Golf R doesn't scream for attention, it commands it through design. Every line, every curve, every angle serves a purpose. Up front, a seamless LED light bar stretches across the grille, connecting the headlights into one continuous pulse of blue-white energy, a signature only an R can wear. Its sculpted hood flows into sharper fenders, while the lower bumper channels air with surgical precision. From the side, it's pure muscle in motion, balanced, compact, yet aggressive. And at the rear, quad exhaust tips and a subtle spoiler remind you that beneath its refined surface lies something restless, waiting to move. It's not just beautiful, it's functional art, built to slice through air and leave a statement behind. Under the hood lies the heart of this machine, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, refined to deliver 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Numbers that once belonged to supercars now live inside a hatchback you can drive every day. All that power flows through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, lightning fast and razor-precise. And with Volkswagen's 4-motion all-wheel drive system, every ounce of torque is distributed intelligently, gripping the road with near-telepathic accuracy. But press the R mode button, and everything changes. The exhaust deepens, the suspension tightens, and the steering sharpens into instinct. In that instant, the Golf R becomes something else, focused, alive, almost electric in response. In testing, it rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.1 seconds, putting it head-to-head with legends like the Honda Civic Type R and Hyundai Elantra N, yet none of them deliver this level of control, this balance between aggression and precision. This isn't power for show. It's power with discipline, the kind that rewards skill and demands respect. For those who crave a purer, more connected drive, Volkswagen offers the Euro-style package, a nod to enthusiasts who value feel over flash. It strips away the unnecessary: no sunroof, lighter manually adjusted seats, and a performance-tuned Akrapovic titanium exhaust that turns every throttle press into music. The result is a car that's 80 pounds lighter, sharper on its feet, and unapologetically raw. Every shift feels cleaner, every turn more responsive, every sound more authentic. It's the Golf R at its most honest, engineered not just to move fast, but to make you feel every heartbeat of the road beneath you. Performance doesn't always come at the cost of practicality, and the 2026 Golf R proves it. Despite its power and precision, it remains remarkably efficient. In real-world highway testing, it achieves up to 34 miles per gallon, striking a rare balance between performance and economy. It's a car that can thrill you on mountain roads yet stay calm and composed on long drives. Every drop of fuel is used with purpose, power when you want it, restraint when you need it. This is where Volkswagen's engineering truly shines, delivering a machine that satisfies both the driver's passion and the commuter's logic. Step inside, and the Golf R immediately feels like a command center built for the modern driver. The cabin is wrapped in black leather sport seats, stitched with signature blue accents and the proud R emblem, a constant reminder of what you're sitting in. Every surface feels deliberate, every control within perfect reach. A massive 12.9-inch infotainment display takes center stage, running Volkswagen's latest software with smoother animations and customizable widgets. Ahead of you, a 10.2-inch digital cockpit displays performance data, navigation, and driving modes with stunning clarity. Tap the R button on the steering wheel, and the cabin transforms. Ambient lighting shifts from calm blue to fierce red, gauges awaken, and the car feels ready for battle. This isn't just an interior. It's an interface between you and the machine, precise, modern, and alive with technology that enhances every moment behind the wheel. But numbers and screens can only tell part of the story. The real magic of the Golf R begins the moment you take control. Every press of the pedal delivers instant response, smooth yet explosive. The steering feels alive, reading every inch of the road and translating it through your fingertips. Corner after corner, it dances with balance, never fighting you, always moving with you. Downshifts crackle with satisfaction, the exhaust sings, and you realize, this isn't just a hatchback. It's a driver's instrument, precise, intuitive, and endlessly rewarding. The Golf R doesn't just get you somewhere. It reminds you why driving matters. The 2026 Volkswagen Golf R is proof that perfection isn't about excess, it's about balance. It's the rare machine that blends everyday comfort with track-borne intensity, wrapped in timeless design and cutting-edge tech. This is a car that excites without demanding, performs without shouting, and delivers without compromise. From its turbocharged heart to its intelligent all-wheel drive, every detail is crafted for those who love to drive. The Golf R isn't just fast, it's faithful. A companion for commutes, a thrill for weekends, and a reminder that practicality can still pulse with passion. So tell us, would you choose this over the Civic Type R or the Elantra N? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, because at GearLoom, we bring you the future, one drive at a time.